Hello everybody, Stuart from Supermachine here, and boy do I have a feature for you today. Have you wanted to transform any image with a single text prompt, tweak angles, swap backgrounds, or reimagine styles instantly? Today I'm excited to announce Supermachine's Instruct feature, Image Editing Redefined. To use the Instruct feature, we need to log into our Supermachine account, we need to navigate to Tools in the top menu, and we need to go to Instruct. Here you'll see the Edit Image console. You'll be able to choose an image from your existing Supermachine album, or you'll be able to upload a new image. You will need to provide a Google API key for this because this feature from Google is currently in preview only. Providing your own key gives you a generous amount of requests every single day on the free plan with Google, so you do not need to put any information within Google to get billed. Don't worry about that. There is generous limits for you to use for free, and it's as simple as then putting a prompt in. And if you want to, you can choose where you want the destination to go. So for my first example, let's do something along the lines of add some nuts in a bowl to the table. And to do this, I'm going to upload an image of a succulent Nepalese meal. So let me do that now. And you'll see here we have a plate of momos with a beer and some popcorn on the table, and we want to add some nuts to this. So if I click now to edit this image, what it's going to do is it's going to start working for me. It's going to send that request and it's going to edit the information of the image with just a text prompt. It works like magic. So you see here, we now have our succulent Nepalese meal with a plate of nuts on the table. How cool is that? Compared to the original image here, it's done a great job. Let's try something else. If you're working a lot with e-commerce or different products and you want to have something in a specific format or a specific look, then the AI in this Instruct tool can be a great help for you. So you'll see here that I've got this random image of a perfume bottle off of Google, and I've uploaded this image and I'm going to change the prompt. So I'm going to say provide a top-down image of this perfume bottle. And just by providing natural text, I'm expecting it to give me a great output. Whilst this is also working, I'm going to say make the background of the image black. So we are going to get a top-down image of this perfume bottle, as you can see here, which is a beautiful one. It's added the shadow. This is really, really awesome, really cool. Perfect for e-commerce or where you need to change slight details within an image. And again, we have this original image with a black background. So by using this edit tool, we're getting the power of Photoshop simply by providing a text prompt. How cool is that? Now, the reason why this Instruct tool plays so well with Supermachine is because Supermachine is already the vault of all of your image AI creations. So being able to use the Instruct tool on your existing images is a real superpower. So you'll see here, I've got this image of a man in the back of a red truck, which I was helping a user to get the images that they wanted for a specific prompt. And I can take this from an existing Supermachine album, and I can just say, change the man to be a woman with long red hair. And I can hit edit image on this, and it's going to take this image of this man, and hopefully it's going to change it into a woman with long red hair. So this is great if you've got an image, maybe a stock image or something which you want to use, but it's not quite right. If you need to change it slightly, then you can do so by simply providing a text prompt again. And here we have our image of a woman with the long red hair. So for changing the subject of an image and getting something super specific, the Instruct tool can do a really great job for this. Let's do one more example, and we're going to select from an album, and we are going to choose this image here, which I just created earlier, which is watermelon with some strawberries around it, so quite artsy and as a watercolor type image. And I'm just going to say, change the strawberries to be cherries instead. So I have no idea if this is going to work or not. I just thought, let's give it a run. And I'm just going to do one more whilst we're here. And I'm going to say, change the bananas to be leeks, because why not? And we're going to hit edit on that. So the first one, this was all strawberries before, and now we've got beautiful cherries. Awesome. Simple editing with a text prompt. And again, we have the bananas, and instead of the bananas, we've got the same style of the image, but we've got a nice leek instead. Super, super cool, super easy to use. So instead of going to Photoshop and doing these changes and spending lots of time buying expensive software, I can do it all within Supermachine, within the albums of images that I already have. So there we have it, a new feature for Supermachine, the Instruct under the Tools settings. You can now edit any images with ease from your existing albums, or you can upload any image that you want as well. Now, this is a beta feature, which is why we require you to provide your Google key. We expect that to change in the future. Please do not try and use the API key that I've shown in this video, because I will be deactivating that right now, so people can't use it. If you've liked this and you want to try it out for yourself, it's live within Supermachine. Simply go to Supermachine.art. If you've enjoyed this video and you do not use Supermachine, what are you doing? Consider signing up today at Supermachine.art. Thank you.